Hello everyone, here is the great Sonos CR100 controller. So here's the controller, you can see that it's working. I can play some music. And I can browse, play another track. It's a very tactile and easy to use controller from Sonos. Okay, so let's pause the music and go to the desktop application. So I'm going to search for upgrades. Here it says that it's going to improve my system if I update to the latest version. Okay. So now I'm upgrading. You can see that my controller has now lost its connection. So here we can see that the Zoom players is upgrading, it's flashing, starting up again, I believe. The update is ready. And then they want to configure my account, which I will skip. Okay, this looks great, doesn't it? So what about my CR100? It's gone into sleep. Let's wake it. It says here Sonos upgrade. This controller has old software. You must update this controller. Start the update by pressing OK, which I guess is the middle wheel. Get started. Each update brings improvements to my system. Update to the latest version to be sure you have the best possible experience. So let's do that. Starting up. The update is ready. Press OK. Your software doesn't support this controller. Isn't that a great improvement? Thank you very much, Sonos. And if I would like to change my mind and go back to an older system which does support this controller, I can't. Sonos has made it impossible to downgrade, and they don't offer a legacy version. Okay, so I guess this is the only thing I can do now. Goodbye, Sonos.